Hello everyone, I'm Jomel C. Magno, and I'm forestry student. Now I will discuss you about the difference between xylem and phloem. First, xylem is transport water and dissolved mineral, while the phloem transport food and mainly sugar by produced by photosynthesis. Okay? Saan ba natin malolocate yung xylem and phloem? First, xylem, it located in the center of vascular bundle, while the phloem, it located in outer side of vascular bundle. Then, yung xylem naman is nakapag-produce siya ng fibre or fibrous. Pinagkaiba lang ng xylem at phloem. Yung xylem is nakapag-produce lang siya ng smallest. Yung phloem naman is nakapag-produce siya ng largest. Okay? Then, saan ba sila makikita? Yung xylem naman, they present or they found it in root, stem, and leaves. Yung phloem naman, they present on stem, leaves, which is later transport and growth in root, fruit, and seeds. Okay? Para mas maliwanagan po tayo is yung difference between xylem and phloem. Yung xylem is nagsisimula siya sa pababa, pataas. Then yung phloem is pwede siyang pataas, pwede siyang pababa, pwede siyang pataas. Xylem, pataas lang. Yung phloem, pababa, pataas. Okay po ba tayo doon? Then, otherwise is, the difference between that is, yung xylem is nabubuhay lang siya sa dead cell. Okay? Yung phloem naman is nabubuhay lang siya sa living cell. Other definition, para mas maliwanagan po tayo, is yung xylem is contain lignin which provide strength and rigidity, while the phloem involved in the active transport of nutrients. Okay, mas naliwanagan po tayo. Sana po is may natutunan po tayo. Salamat po.